Hi guys, thank you for choosing Cyphotech Video Tutorial. And today we will be learning how to create Cocoa account. Creating Cocoa account is a very simple process and it can be done from any browser. I will launch my Google Chrome browser. You can use any browser that you have to create a Cocoa account. Before I continue, I would like to say that we need your support in order to continue creating this content. And one way in which you can support us is by subscribing to our channel. And not forget to always like and share our video. And if you have any contribution or comment, feel free to drop it on that comment box. Also click on that bell icon for notification to know whenever we drop a new video. You can use any browser that you have to create a Google account. Once you've done your web browser, go to the address bar, type in Gmail sign up or Google account sign up. And click on the link. Then from there we'll take it to this page. Wait, here you click on this link, create Google account. From there we'll take you to this page where you can create your account. You put your first name here, put your last name here. Let's say your name, you choose your username. Say your name, then you choose password. This username is taken available. You can choose any of this. Let's use this. Then you confirm your password. Then click next. Then you put your phone number. It's optional. You can put your phone number. Put your recovery email address. Optional. You choose your date of birth. Then you choose your gender. Click next. Then from there we take you to this page. Privacy and terms. You scroll down. Then you click on agree. Now you can see welcome. This is your name that you put when you choose when you fill the form. That's how you can create your Google account. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Also like and share this video for others to enjoy it. It will come your way next time. Bye for now.
Red eye,
I love this kiss a bit.
bros, if you no love, I what you get. It's Victor Eddie, na na na, yeah. Pray for grace, my G. I say pray for grace. Oluwa má gbàgbé mi, I want all this money. Don't want take the same step where I take last year, we don't work for me. Oh, Lord, as I dey grind, I dey hustle, bless me with this money. But on your hand that day, I say make you run out for me.